Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and to all my diehards, this is your weekly update. Absolutely love all of you. And as always, I love seeing the comments every week on if you're going to be checking out certain fragrances, the reason why, or you're going to pass on the week, all that good stuff, especially the ones that you think, I think you're going to like this, I think you're going to like that, especially the unboxings and the sampling sample. So there's a lot of unknown here, obviously, and there's a little bit of known, but I wanted to preface this video on saying happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadian friends. I am Canadian, so I wanted to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Sometimes we don't take the time to look and appreciate what we have, especially in Canada right now. If you're into politics, or politics are kind of iffy, but you have to appreciate that you are born in a great country like Canada. So there's a lot of things to be thankful for. Definitely reach out to friends or family, maybe that you haven't reached out as much as you wanted to. This is the time to do it and spend time with people that you love. So that's important. I just wanted to say that, and I am going to be doing that. And because of that, I did want to mention that I know that last week there was a subscriber's choice that was tied, 1 million Royal and Armani code Absolu. Now the Absolu came out on Saturday, and I did say that either Sunday, Monday, or something like that, I would get the 1 million Royal. I did not get a chance, and I'm not going to do it on Monday. Absolutely not. The review it's not shot, but it's done. Like I'm ready to go. So that's just going to have to wait till tomorrow. So on Tuesday, you're going to get subscriber's choice to choose a new designer fragrance, but also 1 million Royale. That review off that sample is going to be also published, so I'm going to kind of spread those two up. But keep that in mind on Tuesday. It's going to be a busy one, but usually on the Robezoid channel, the work or the fun stuff starts on Wednesday, where we actually start reviewing fragrances. So Monday, today, of course, you're getting this video. Bonjour, hello, happy Thanksgiving again. Tuesday, you're going to get the subscriber's choice, where you get to choose. We got 2 new ones coming into play because obviously 2-1. So keep that in mind. We're going to have almost a whole new lineup there. And then we got a lot of unknowns here. This is a lot of firsts for me. So this is going to be actually a really exciting week for me. I'm really looking forward to it because I bought a whole bunch of Tom Ford private blends that I've kind of not told you about. And we're going to start unboxing those. I got some designer stuff, got some high-end designer stuff. We got niche, obviously, and we got a brand that I haven't even spoken about ever on my channel that is really part of the free bottle brigade, and I love that. Like, I'm going to test these out, and that's Fragrance du Bois. I'm finally going to be testing up my first one from them. So let's start it off on Wednesday. You're going to get an unboxing on Vanille Fatale. Unboxing, first impression. Never smelt it. Big fan of Tobacco Vanille personally. This one has, I just went, I blind bought this, but like just recently I'm like, okay, this thing's coming up. Just wanted to go on Fragrantica and just take a look at what people are saying. Very polarizing. A lot of people are saying this is highly feminine. Other people are saying that this is a boozy, dark vanilla. Don't know what I'm going to get. I'm assuming something in the middle. But if it's a boozy, you know, vanilla extract type of thing, perfect. But I see a lot of florals in the mid, so I'm kind of cautious on that. So we'll see how my excitement is. But Tom Ford Private Blends, it is one of my favorite brands. I got at least 30, 40, maybe 50 Tom Fords up there. I don't have the cool little things that bring bottles up. So there's lines upon lines of private blends there, but Vanille Fatale, unboxing and first impression, but we got more of those private blends coming through. Next on Thursday is a test drive on this I've had since 2019, and it is the sandalwood based fragrance, Sacred Wood, and I got the old bottle where it had like red writing on it. I think they've changed the look of these bottles, but I can't wait to talk about the sandalwood based fragrance on Thursday. Friday, another unboxing. Of course, designer. This is from the brand of Yves Saint Laurent, and this is a flanker of La Nuit de l'Homme, a very popular flanker, one that was, I think, discontinued in the US, and people are starting going crazy. Here in Canada, not discontinued. It's Bleu Electrique. Never smelt it. People are saying that this smells like the original La Nuit de l'Homme. Okay, sure. If it is, great. It's an excellent scent, kind of redundant, kind of. We'll see what Bleu Electrique Gizmi. I also bought the O Electric, which doesn't have much hype. Both like kind of bluish kind of thing. So we'll see what that has in store. Again, first impression, never smelt it. Looking forward to that one. And then your subscriber's choice on Saturday that you chose last week from the high-end designer niche indie. And this is Yves Saint Laurent again. So we got double YSL Baby Cat. So a lot of you wanted this and a lot of you didn't want this. So finally it's gone. So I'm going to review it. It's gone. So Baby Cat is next. I'm looking forward to that one because I'm a big fan of the YSL higher end lineup, the older stuff. And this has a lot of hype, so we'll see what I think about it. And then lastly, my True Blue Sampling Sample Sunday, which I choose whatever I've got here. And this is a Lucky Scent sample, and it is Fragrance Du Bois, a brand that I've never zero zip, never smelt any. This is gonna be my first one. It's called PM, AM PM. So this one's PM. I think that one was in collaboration with somebody. So that'll be my first test of the brand of Fragrance Du Bois. Definitely, if you're watching this and you're into this video, this is a brand that I've never smelt. So it's a brand that gets talked about a lot on YouTube. A lot of it's Free Bottle Brigade, so you kind of have to put that noise away, but there's some that are actually love this brand. Let me know what are the standouts from this brand, because it's my first test of it. First impressions might be everything. If it's bad, especially for the pricing, we'll see. It may start me being a collector of the brand, we'll see. But there's your week. Appreciate you, love you, my Canadians. Enjoy the day. Don't spend too much time on YouTube. Spend it with people you love. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with a subscriber's choice and the 1 million Royal review. Have a good one.